Number 1. Identify as a professional sleeper. Stop acting like being tired is a good thing. That mindset destroys your energy and your focus. Successful people treat sleep like a skill they practice, not something they skip. When you protect your sleep, you think clearly, look healthier, and control your day. Number 2. Commit to a consistent bedtime. Your body hates random changes. Sleeping at different times confuses your nervous system. Pick a bedtime and treat it like the most important meeting of your day. When you do this every day, your body learns exactly when to shut down. Number 3. Create a real wind-down routine. Most people go to bed with their minds still racing. That is why sleep feels impossible. You need time to relax. Build a 30 to 60-minute routine to slow everything down. Reading or stretching tells your brain that the day is officially finished. Number 4. Eat earlier and lighter. You cannot rest while your stomach is working. Heavy food late at night uses up the energy that you need for deep sleep. Eat earlier in the day and eat less at night. When your stomach is not working overtime, your sleep gets much better. Number 5. Remove stimulants completely. Alcohol and caffeine are enemies of sleep. Alcohol might make you fall asleep, but it ruins the quality of your rest. Caffeine stays in your blood for a long time. Cut them out and you will realize you don't have a sleep problem. You just had too much coffee. Number 6. Control your evening light. Bright screens at night tell your brain it is still daytime. This stops your sleep hormones and keeps you awake. Dim the lights after sunset and lower your screen brightness. Darkness is not a choice. You need it for good sleep. Number 7. Optimize temperature. Your body sleeps best on when it is cool. A hot room keeps you awake and alert. Lower the temperature, use light sheets, and avoid getting too hot. Think of your bedroom as a cave. Cool, dark, and built for deep rest. Number 8. Protect your sleep environment. Your bedroom is for rest, not work. If you work, scroll on your phone, or argue in bed, your brain connects the bed with stress. Keep the room dark and quiet. When you walk into that room, your brain should know there is only one plan: sleep. Number 9. Get morning light exposure. Good sleep actually starts in the morning. Sunlight sets your internal body clock. Go outside for 10 minutes right after you wake up. No sunglasses, no phone. This gives you energy now and helps you feel tired when night comes. Number 10. Track and adjust intelligently. Stop guessing. Start tracking. Watch the patterns. Notice how food, stress, and light change your sleep numbers. You cannot fix what you do not understand. Once you see the data, you can fix the problem. Tonight, choose one habit and do it immediately. Comment control below if you are going to follow through. Weak men hope sleep improves. Disciplined man make it.